Hi Cookie friends! Welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. My name is Larissa and this is my friend. And this is my McNugget buddy for Halloween! If you are new to this channel, you are about to learn very quickly that we love McDonald's.
Yes.
Especially 90s McDonald's nostalgia.
Yes,
Halloween,
we are 90s children!
Halloween, and Disney. Those are like our three things that we love. And cookies, of course. So if you are new, welcome!
Welcome
I'm
to
so
the
happy
show.
to have you. Welcome to spooky season. So what we are going to do in this episode today is show you all of the McNugget cookies that we made. And then we're going to talk about some quick facts about the McNugget buddies. And then we're going to talk about merch, which would be the Funko Pops.
Oh.
What? Yes, that's right. The Funko Pops of the McNugget buddies.
That's right.
So excited. And we're also going to talk about McDonald's in general. You know, like the Halloween buckets and some new merch that LOUNGEFLY came out with for those Halloween buckets. Okay, so the first one that you saw is the one that we made, which is Pumpkin McNugget. He's
great!
Cute. Okay, that is one. I'm like out of breath. I'm exasperated. I'm so excited.
Calm down.
Number 2, we've got Monster McNugget, and he's looking like Frankenstein's monster, and he's so awesome.
He was awesome.
And do you see how big these are? Just real quick, I hand cut these out. So these weren't cookie cutters. I hand cut them. McNugula. Dracula, like the vampire McNugget. Do we see him with the bat on his head? How cute is he? He's adorable.
And he uses ketchup as prop blood.
McBoo McNugget.
I like McBoo.
This is the one I always remember getting in my Happy Meals. Witchy McNugget. Look at
There she
how
is.
fabulous she is. She's
Looks
like
great.
looking really good. And now we've got Mummy McNugget. Look at him. Look at how cute he is. So, guys, I want to know
That mummy one is great.
which one's your favorite?
Oh, my favorite?
Yeah.
Definitely a Monster McNugget.
Guys, which one is your favorite? I want to
He
know.
looks like he wants to give you a hug.
I want to know.
Crush you.
I'm really loving him though. So those are our cookies. Now, next, we are going to talk about a little bit of their history just so you know where we're coming from and why we're so freaking excited about these McNuggets.
That's right.
So, the McNugget buddies, they were like introduced in the 80s. They were naked. They were naked McNuggets. Like, they weren't wearing clothes.
But they were puppets.
But they were puppets, and they were so adorable. We did a whole McDonald's episode on these guys back in February or March, so go ahead and check that out if you want more information. But they were first introduced in the 80s, and they were naked and adorable. And then in the 90s, they were re-released, and they combined Halloween and the McNugget buddies, and what could be better? What better combination could there be than that? And that's how they were born.
Yes.
And the cool thing about them is that they're interchangeable, so you can actually take their hat off and take the
their bottoms.
Yep, or their bottoms, and then you can switch them out.
Do you still have some of those toys?
I don't. Guys, I'm so sad that I don't
pumpkin.
have them. I'm really actually quite sad that I don't have them. But this brings us to our next part of our episode, where Hank came in to the rescue.
That's right.
And no, I don't have the original McNugget buddies, but I think I might have something better.
I think the Funko company came in with the win.
Woo! Funkos. Okay, guys, here we go.
Careful with that one.
Here we go. Are you ready?
He was expensive.
You might not be ready.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one everybody wanted.
Guys, did you pass out yet? Are you awake? Get back up. Get back up.
Look at those
and
eyes.
Look at this. Oh my god, he's adorable.
Their little eyes make him cuter.
He is adorable. So he is our Pumpkin McNugget.
He was a Comic-Con special.
Yeah, limited edition, right?
Yep. That's why he's in plastic.
Comic-Con limited
Don't take the plastic off.
edition. I will not. I will keep it like that forever. Then we've got the witch, looking just so like chic.
Witchy.
Looking great. The
McBoo.
ghosty. Oh my god, and the little cat.
Oh, I love that cat.
The mummy. And then we've got McNugula.
McNugget.
These just mean so much to me. They bring me right back to when I was a little kid, and I'm
studio feels
so
great.
happy to have these.
It is definitely Halloween in the studio.
Absolutely. How can you tell? Because look at the buckets behind us. Let's talk about these buckets real quick because we gotta do it again, right? So last year we did an episode specifically on the buckets. I made cookies of the buckets. I made a poem. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link it in the description below. But find the poem that I wrote about these. But in the 90s, these buckets, you guys, they had actual lids. They did not have this.
Yeah.
So as excited as I am to have the new edition that was released in 2022,
You actually flipped your lid.
where are the lids? I was hoping my poem would just capture McDonald's and this year produce some lids. No luck. But this year, they're coming back. October 17th is what I'm hearing. They're coming back with 4 buckets.
Yes.
One of them is a new color. What we're gonna have is a green Frankenstein monster, the purple vampire, an orange jack-o'-lantern, and a white mummy.
And we need them all.
No, we just need the purple one.
We need them all.
All right, so now speaking of buying things and merch, and speaking of the McDonald's Halloween buckets, oh boy.
Take a breath.
Now, it took all the self-control I had not to buy this. Hank offered to buy it multiple times, and I said no thank you, because I'm trying to like rein it in and be okay. But guys,
Got a lot of bags.
did you see Loungefly coming in for the win?
We all saw.
The victory. The most amazing thing I think they've ever created is a Halloween McDonald's bucket bag. Yes, that's right. I said that. And they glow in the dark.
Yeah.
And they glow in the dark.
And the only ones you can find on eBay are the ghosts.
And apparently, like, they're all sold out on Loungefly's website. Guys, did you get one? Did you want one?
We wanted one.
Do you care? Like,
I cared. From Box Lunch, which Box Lunch had a pin. Box Lunch had a pin of all 3.
oh, now, oh,
Yeah. The first and only McDonald bucket pin.
wow. And they have
Yep.
lids too.
And they have lids.
Well, shoot, that's adorable. So, guys, these are some of the amazing things that you can get. Let me know if you're like Larissa and Hank. What are you talking about? This is ridiculous. McDonald's is for children.
I have to tell you something.
What?
You're not gonna like it.
Okay.
Burger King also has a bucket this year. It's for a ghost pepper chicken sandwich.
So
And I believe on the bucket there's a ghost chicken on the bucket.
So I saw the bucket. It's cool. I'm glad they're entering the Halloween game like this, but
Yeah,
it
but you're out of your league.
doesn't do it for me.
Stick with the Whopper.
I'll even stick with these buckets with no lid.
That's right.
So
Chicken ghost.
this is our episode. We have another episode of how exactly we made these, of all of them. So
Yeah,
you
check
can
it
go
out.
ahead and check that out. We're also on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook.
Yes.
And guys, if you like this episode, if you like watching how cookies are made, learning how to make them from my other playlist, doing the cookie ASMR, and talking about all of these fun collectible things, facts, merch, please think about sticking around and subscribing to our channel. We're a lot of fun. There's a lot of different things going on this channel.
Yeah.
And we're here to have a good time and create a fun, positive, happy place that loves Halloween and Disney and McDonald's
And cookies.
and so forth and so on, and cookies. So guys, thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe and hit the
Ding.
for notifications, and we will see you next time, cookie friends.
Next time.
Bye.
Visit me on Instagram.
They're so
Highlight the sold outness.
they're so
What is this, the garage? That's it.
Did you say what?
Visit me on Instagram.
Visit him on Instagram.
Come visit me.
Sounded weird.
What?
Come visit me.
On Instagram.
I just thought that sounded weird. That's huh. You wanna go to McDonald's?
No, I want to go to Wendy's.
Go to McDonald's.
I can't drive. Let's go.
Alright. Good job, Hank.